The problems in Punjab politics are far from over. It's like a family war that's turned Punjab politics upside down in barely 2 months' time. Amid all this, former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh's meeting with Union Home Minister and BJP leader Amit Shah in New Delhi is yet another sign of something major coming up. What does this mean for Punjab politics? Well, let's decode that for you. By meeting Amit Shah at his residence, Captain Amrinder Singh has now clarified his intentions to form a relationship with the Bharatiya Janata Party. This meeting happened despite Amrinder Singh dismissing its possibility a day before. So what are the possibilities here? Well, this meet throws up two collaboration options between the former Chief Minister and the BJP in the upcoming Punjab Assembly elections. First, Amrinder Singh may float a party and tie up with the BJP for the Punjab Assembly polls. And the second option is to join the BJP to ensure that the Congress stays out of power in Punjab next year. Both propositions work well for the BJP, of course. So how are the relations between BJP and Amrinder Singh? Well, the BJP has always had a soft corner for Amrinder Singh because of his military background and nationalist approach in politics. Amrinder Singh was among the few Congress leaders who had supported the Narendra Modi government during the surgical strike in 2016 and the Balakot airstrike in 2019. He also took a stand similar to that of the BJP when Navjot Singh Sidhu attended Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's swearing-in ceremony and also hugged Pakistan Army Chief Qamar Javed Bajwa, which eventually created quite some row in India. What about farmers' protest? Well, the issues of farm laws and farmers' protests quite tricky for the BJP as well as Captain Amrinder Singh. The BJP has been quite firm that the farm laws are much needed agricultural reforms to improve the plight of the farmers. Amrinder Singh had vehemently opposed these laws, standing with the farmers in their agitation against the Modi government. However, if the two join hands, the BJP may find Amrinder Singh helpful in breaking the ice ahead of the assembly elections in Punjab as well as in Uttar Pradesh. Well, there is a theory here that's doing the rounds that Captain Amrinder Singh has a proposal for the Modi government to end the farmers' stir. This may give an escape route to all three sides, the BJP, Amrinder Singh as well as the farmers. However, the details of this proposal is not yet revealed. How will the BJP benefit from this? Navjot Singh Sidhu might have forced Captain Amrinder Singh to resign from the Chief Minister's post in Punjab, but he's proved his political mettle in 2017 by single-handedly winning the state for Congress. It is said that Amrinder Singh is unpopular in the Congress party, not among the people of Punjab. The BJP may benefit from Amrinder Singh's stature in the Punjab Assembly election if they join hands. The BJP had been contesting Punjab Assembly elections in alliance with the Shiromani Akali Dal so far, but the coalition collapsed last year. The BJP could now hope that Amrinder Singh will only help the party in Punjab now. Is it new for Amrinder Singh to leave the Congress? Amrinder Singh is not new to leaving the Congress party in frustration. He joined the Congress party because of his friendship with former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, and he was elected to the Lok Sabha from Patiala in 1980. However, he resigned in 1984 in protest against Indira Gandhi-led government's decision to launch Operation Blue Star. He joined the Shiromani Akali Dal and contested the Punjab Assembly election in 1985. Amrinder Singh became a minister in the Shiromani Akali Dal government led by Surjit Singh Barnala. Later, he became disillusioned with the party and left in 1992 to form his own party, Shiromani Akali Dal. However, in 1997 Punjab Assembly elections, Amrinder Singh's party suffered a humiliating defeat, failing to win even a single seat. After which he merged Shiromani Akali Dal with the Congress next year, which was then under Sonia Gandhi's leadership. Now, with his relationship with the next-gen Gandhi strained and, in his words, humiliated in Punjab, 23 years later now, Amrinder Singh has once again found himself at another crossroad.